Hey guys, what is up? I am LC and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here today, and I can't even describe how excited I am for this video. We have a new Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Can you guess? If you follow me on my Instagram, then you would know that I posted a picture of the new 10-year anniversary Kat Von D Beauty eyeshadow palette. Whew! It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Before we get into this video, I did want to remind you that if you are new here and you like what you see, don't forget that you can subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Also, you can turn on notifications and then you will get notified whenever I post a video. All right, let's just get into this. Let's do this. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's do this. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, look at this. It is so beautiful. It's all gold. The whole 10-year anniversary collection from Kat Von D was gold. It was beautiful. Now the palette, oh my gosh, seeing the pictures really doesn't do it justice. It's a beautiful palette, and then when you open it up, oh my gosh, these shades, again, the pictures online don't quite do it justice. They are gorgeous. They all look like they fit together in this palette, which I love. I love an eyeshadow palette that is pleasing to the eyes. You've also got this giant mirror inside. Oh, hi, what's up? What's up, yo? I know for me, mirrors don't make a huge difference, but I know that when you're paying more money for something, that some people do appreciate little touches like that, and I certainly do. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this today. I don't know. I have so many ideas when I look at this palette, but you know what? I'm done talking. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and use MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm gonna prime my eyes, and then we will come and see what we're gonna do today. All right, so like I said, I have primed my eyes. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and dip into this white shade here. It looks super, super white on camera. I don't know if you, it looks really white, but in person, it's definitely more of a creamy white. So we're just gonna take that, and I'm gonna start on this outer part just to see how that looks. And ooh, that looks really nice. Yeah, so we're gonna take that cream shade and just set all over. So that is what one eye looks all set. And as you can see, it really helped with taking out that yellow tone from the paint pot and really just helped give it more of a neutral base. This shadow is really just nice and soft and creamy. I mean, I don't know, it's just going on so nice. So yeah, that went on really nice. That's nice, pretty standard color. I think to get a nice transition color going, we're gonna dip into this light neutral brown. I really think that is gonna just work with whatever we decide to go with, because I still don't know what look I'm doing yet. And I'm taking that on my Morphe E27. Oh my god. Look at that pigment. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. And it's pretty much just blending itself. I mean, it honestly, no effort at all in... And so far, there's not too much kickback. It's very minimal. So at this point, we could honestly go anywhere with this palette still, and I'm not quite sure how I want to play this. I feel like it's really, really tough to choose because they all just look so beautiful. So it's really hard. I really want to try this mustardy yellow shade here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that right into here. Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, okay, okay. And I'm just kind of like packing it on there and then blending a little bit. I think that looks really cool, but I want to leave that like this for now and just kind of let's figure out where we're going with the outer part of the eye as well so that we don't confuse anything. So on my M441, we're gonna take that rusty red shade and just kind of start working that in this outer part of the eye and just see what we can do with that. Oh, that is a really pretty red. It's definitely a rusty red, like I had said before, where It's so, ooh, look at that pigment. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. I don't know, today I was feeling these colors and I'm really glad I went with it because they are just, oh my gosh, looking so good. I do want to say too that there is barely any fallout at all. There's just little tiny bits, which I would consider pretty normal for any eyeshadow. Yeah, I mean, it's barely any. What I would like to do now is take this orange shade and let's just throw that in there. Why not? Oh wow, that is definitely pigmented. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but you can definitely see the orange, and I'm kind of just bringing it over on this outer part of the red. Not too much, just a little bit. So I'm just going back into that yellow with my M433 and just kind of, there we go. Oh yeah. Just adding a little bit more to that inner part that we did. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go into that lower lash line. Now, I know a lot of people don't do this, but I do like to take whatever transition shade I use, and I like to run a little bit of that on the lower lash line. I just feel like it helps, just everything looks seamless. I know a lot of people will just go right in with whatever color they wanna do, but I don't know, I think it just helps blend things the same way that they look on the top lid. Most of the time. Not all the time. Sometimes I don't care. And the very first thing that I'm gonna do is go into that yellow. I'm gonna take that and just start bringing that in on that lower lash line. All right, and now we're gonna go into that orange that we used in the center up here. We're gonna take that and go ahead and drag that on the outer corner. And now we're gonna take that red and just very lightly kind of work it, but just on this outer part over here to connect the top and the bottom. And then we'll see, we'll kind of blend it a little bit into that, but not too much. Mostly just connecting that top and bottom. All right, and that is pretty much it for that. I mean, we know that Kat Von D's matte eyeshadows are great. They're good. You know, we all know that. Whether you've used them or not, you've heard it, you know it. It's the shimmers that, you know, no matter what palette you're using, you gotta see, like, is it good? Is it gonna be good? And I think what I'd really like to do is go ahead with this one right here. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it's a little crumbly. When I was rubbing my finger in it, you can see it's like a little, I don't know, it's beautiful though. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is beautiful. Ooh. I would say that I want to try it with a brush, but you know, I'm just gonna do my finger, and if that doesn't work, we'll do it with the Fix Plus on a brush, okay? Oh wow, that is really pretty. Ooh, that is what it looks like though after me dipping my finger in there, and it's not like I didn't go aggressive or anything. These shadows can be a little bit messy, but it's not a huge deal to me because they do work beautifully on the eyes. I mean, this looks so nice that I don't care. I am just so satisfied with this look. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'm gonna add a little bit of liner, some lashes. I'm not gonna do winged liner. I think this look is dramatic enough as it is, so yeah. All right guys, I am back and this is the finished look. Let's get right into this palette and all of my feels about it and the final thoughts and just, this palette will not disappoint you, okay? This is a beautiful palette. These shades go on beautifully. They blend beautifully. They blend seamlessly. They blend themselves. I mean, it's just like, what? It was so easy to work with the shades that I chose in this palette. It just made me even more excited to continue using it and try out the other shades and just play and have fun. Now, I do want to say that I know that this palette is expensive. There's really not any way to get around it. It's an expensive palette. $50 is not light. That is something that you really need to want that item really bad to spend that money. And that's kind of how I felt about about this palette is I knew I was going to use all of the shades. I knew that I would get use out of it. Plus, I do consider myself kind of a makeup collector. So this was just, I mean, I just had to have it, okay? I wish that her brand was more affordable, but what are you gonna do? I don't really know what to say other than the fact that I know it's expensive, but if you're willing to spend the money, it works beautifully. Like, it's not a waste of money, if that helps. These shadows are creamy, buttery, soft, but not too soft. No, they are pigmented. I mean, there's so many good things to say. I'm kind of just, I don't know what to say because it's just, I had a great experience with this. I love the look that I created. I love it so much. I don't know, the shimmers and the mattes both worked beautifully in this palette. I don't have much else to say. It's a beautiful palette, and I hope that if you do end up deciding to buy it, I'm pretty sure you'll love it, and I hope you do. Anyways, I guess that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on notifications, that little bell down there. You will get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, until next time, guys, stay flawless.